Preparing your taxes for the first time can be a royal pain. So before reporting to Uncle Sam, there are a few things that every young professional should know. Hey guys, I'm Andrew Dymburt for Buzz60. The first and probably the most important is the deadline. You have until Tuesday, April 15th to file that tax return, so don't procrastinate. Second is deciding on how to file. Software like TurboTax is cheap and relatively easy to use, but using a professional will save you time and energy. If you are going to file by yourself, here's a tip. Anyone who made less than $58,000 can file for free. Just go online to irs.gov. Student loan payments piling up? I feel your pain. Deduct the interest on them for a nice return. Just ask your lender for a 1098E form and you can file up to $2,500. Finding the right job after college can be rough, so if you spend time looking for a job, those expenses can be a deductible. Bottom line, be prepared and get back the full amount you're owed, so they can just tax you on it again next year. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.